ULPT. Ask your local police department for a ride along to find out the local spots people sell weed. If you're new to town, most precincts will allow ride along for public relations reasons, and you can ask a bunch of questions to pass the time on it. And you can say things like, where is the area where you see the most drug dealers? And just break down your search to a general area. Or just go into any restaurant and ask the chef for some. ULPT. Look up your building's washer/dryer model on eBay and order a key for it. I haven't paid for laundry in years, and it cost me 8.00. Sleep like a baby knowing you're not paying for on-site laundry. Edit. There seems to be some confusion about this. I'm not referring to opening up the coin deposit box of the laundry machines. Rather just the control panel that allows you to start the cycle. Do not touch the coins. Thanks for the gold/silver. ULPT. If you have religious head covering like a hijab or niqib that covers your ears, use AirPods to cheat on tests. ULPT. Stick a couple of wet leaves on your number plate to partly obscure the registration. This will enable you to dodge fines, tolls etc. And if the police stop you, all they can do is remove the leaves. ULPT. When ordering ice cream, always ask for a single scoop. However, when the server is finished, say, actually I'd like a second scoop. This forces them into matching the size of the first scoop, which tends to be bigger, since it was for a single cone. ULPT. Did you get the dreaded SSSS on your boarding pass? Just throw it away and pull up your boarding pass on your phone. Confirmed that this works just a few days ago. I went to the airline desk to check a bag and she printed me a paper boarding pass. I look at it on my way to TSA and notice she wrote SSSS on it. A quick Google search informed me that I was randomly selected for secondary screening. Since I had already checked in on the app, I opened it up and displayed my boarding pass, which did not have the SSSS on it. I got to TSA, showed my ID, scanned the boarding pass on my phone, and went on my merry way. No secondary screening. ULPT. To avoid watching the ads on the YouTube app, skip to the end of the video and replay it. Replaying the video eliminates the ads. May be unethical because content creators may lose revenue if ads are skipped on their video. I don't know. Probably a widely known tip, but I only recently learned it, and it is so useful. ULPT. If you work in retail and your company has a rewards program, after a customer says they don't have an account, enter your own info to get the points/rewards. ULPT. Immediately after installing a new kitchen/bathroom in your home, or generally after any significant redecoration, make sure you get a full set of photos. Use these when you come to sell your house and they won't show any wear and tear. ULPT. If you accidentally scratch someone's car, write a note in shaky handwriting saying you are 5 years old and fell off your bike. Then leave 5 saying it's all you had. ULPT. If the person sitting in front of you on a flight reclines their seat all the way back and leaves you with no room, turn on the aircon above you to full blast and point it at the top of their head. If they're sensitive to it, especially if they are bald, they'll straighten up their seat. If not, then you'll both be uncomfortable for the entire flight. ULPT. Buying download and lease software. For a website like Steam, list your state as Oregon, which doesn't have sales tax. This allows you to shave a couple bucks off the price. Won't save a ton of money, but it can add up over time. ULPT. Add a gift card to your online order to reach the free delivery threshold. Then use said card for your next purchase and repeat. I tried this today, and to my surprise it worked at a pretty big company in Europe. Edit. Yes, you'll obviously have to be a regular shopper at the place to profit from this. Edit 2. I can now order an unlimited amount of small parts whenever I want that would otherwise be charged a delivery fee, letting the seller pay the delivery every time. If it's a 34 part with a 1 margin and the store pays more than their margin to deliver the item, they're essentially losing money. How is this not unethical? Some stores block this mechanic due to exploitation. Amazon, Target, etc. Edit 3. The real ULPT is always in the comments. If there are items on site that you can pre-order, simply add those to the basket, then cancel a few days later. Edit 4. To the one saying you're not gaining anything, here's an example from School Dave. So, let's say you did that on a purchase January 1st and had to buy a 25 gift card to meet the minimum. You've now given them 25. Next week or month. It doesn't really matter. You buy something and again have to get a 25 GC. You've given a total 50, but you took back 25 of that by redeeming the original GC. So you are still out 25 and they're up 25. Let's say that plays out like that all year. You've loaned them 25 that, if you had it in a savings account, might have earned you 50 cents. You're out 50 cents. But you had free shipping all year. Sounds like you win.